everyone, I'm Nick. Today we're going to build the Marvel Superheroes Ant-Man Final Battle Lego set. It's rated ages 6 to 12. It has 183 pieces. It comes with Yellow Jacket, Hank Pym, and Ant-Man. It comes with the Super Jump. It has comic book included. And this looks pretty interesting. It comes with two giant Legos, and it comes with this baby. Okay, I'm gonna open this. Why does it have tape? Holy rage! I swear, why do they make these hard to open boxes? Perfect. We have bag 1, wing. We have bag 2. Okay, it comes with pink Legos. We have. Okay, let me open this box more. Yeah. We have the instructions, we have the comic, we have wing number 2. I really need to flatten these. These guys are going to be used for the sets. Stickers. Let's get building. Okay, I like this set really good. This is an amazing set. Also, guys, you might remember me building this from earlier. And then here's the 3 main guys. I'll review them later in the video. Okay, so I finished building. Here is the complete set. We have all the guys. So we have this guy. I can't remember his name. Let me check. His name. His name is Yellow Jackets. He has 2 guns that actually fire, but I'm not going to fire them right now. We have Ant-Man. And then we have Hank Pym. And then he has another head I can put on. And there we go. That is an interesting feature. And then we have the big Legos. These are the giant Legos. And then we have the actual size Legos. We have 2 spiders. I think they're ants. And then we have a giant ant. It's pretty big. Took me a while to build. Then we have the super jump I mentioned at the beginning of the video. Now we are going to put Ant-Man on and make him super jump. If I can make him do it. There. This super jump works like this. You push your finger down on the back with the Lego figure on it. Let your finger go. And then they jump high. So that was the entire set. Here's the comic. It's pretty interesting. I have not read it. Let's read it. Okay, so it's a 2-in-1 comic thing. So it's pretty good. Hope you enjoyed the video. My name is Nick. Goodbye.